Hi everyone, open up your browser and type Firebase. Hit enter, click the first link you can see. Firebase uses Google account. So log into your Gmail account first. And here on the top right corner you can see Go to Console. Click Go to Console. Okay, here you can see Get Started by setting up a Firebase project. Just click this area and finally enter your project name. My first app, and here you can see project ID. If you want to customize it, just click on it and you can change it. Once you are happy, click save and click this checkbox. Scroll down, here you can see continue. Click on it, just scroll down, here you can see continue, click on it. Okay, scroll down, click continue, and here you can see configure Google Analytics. Just scroll down, check this box, click create project, and finally it's preparing my project. And here it is. Click this here, click it, close it, and here goes my first project.